traders, just want to give you an update to the Aussie dollar, so all things Aussie today in my analysis. Now, it's not too dissimilar to the Aussie yen. Potentially we are forming some form of double top up here from just below the 68 level, and we've moved down to a lower bottom, so we've moved down. We are still getting a little bit of support from this weekly support level over here at 66.20 now. We've had a bounce back up, and with the CPI data coming out slightly weaker than expected in the US, we popped back up, all the way back up to 67.16. I actually discussed that level last night in the webinar. Once more being resistance. Are we going to be forming a lower top there now? Lower top following the double top for a continued move down to break 66.29 weekly support here, and can we come down to the lower level of weekly support over time? Are we topping out in this area for a continued move down? So let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, so on the 15-minute chart, we're just starting maybe to falter at the 6700 level, but I'm just going to watch to see if we can just get driven up a little bit higher through the course of the day. I'm going to be watching the 6700 for, it could fail there. If I start to see it really failing there, I'll look to trade a fail at the 6700 level. But I've drawn a fib from yesterday's high, and then we sold off after the news. So that was the news spike. Then we dropped down and we failed at the 67.16 level. Don't know whether we can get back up right to that level, but I'm going to watch for a high rally. So fib drawn from that high to low. Can we rally back up today to the 79% level? 67.12. It would be great if it could retest 67.16 and fail once more, but I'm going to watch for this high level today, 67.12. Can price get driven up to that level? Hold and fail. Can you see a setup to sell to trade down? Now, we may not get there, and the reason why I say that is we did drop, and then we came up to the 62 level here, and we've been holding down ever since. So whilst I'm looking for the higher level because it offers me better risk to reward, I am going to watch as well the 6700 level here. Just price simply come up to 67, start to hold and fail. If it does, I'll have to accept that maybe price can't rally up to 67.12, and then as well look for an opportunity to trade down from a failure at the 6700 level. Alright, so are we topping out up there at 67.16 yesterday? Are we going to see an intraday failure today for a move back down the range? And finally traders, if you have the time, join me at tonight's webinar. You can register by using the link in the description below.